learn how to do that. Keep watching this video because you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to break it down on how you can do it too. You can join my school community. Yes, there's a link down below at the bottom to that. I have a blueprint pattern that shows you how to do it, how to create income, how to create digital wealth, all while being at home or going out on your motorcycle and having fun. So stay to the end. The last one is really what's going to catch you. And I'm going to show you why. Start to think. Now, as I was saying, AI can do a lot of things, create the books, create all that stuff. But what it can't do is actually sell it. Why? It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have a human. It's not real. You can tell the difference when it's AI. And that's why people will never be replaced by AI. Now, the other thing AI can't do is help you celebrate a win. It doesn't see it as that. It just can't help it. That's what we do in our community. We help you celebrate your win. Now, here's another thing you need to know about the digital industry and AI. AI is set to push the digital industry from $1 billion to $1 trillion over the next couple of years. So if you thought everybody was already ahead of you in the game, you're not even close. And I teach that in my community, not just how to get into it, how to get started, and how to actually gain traction, and how to get moving. And all of this can be done on your phone or a laptop or a tablet. While you're in town shopping, the AI system works in the background, even while you're sleeping. And we can all tell the difference whether a video has been made by AI or whether you're talking to a chatbot. It just doesn't have that human feeling, that response that normal people give you. You can tell the difference. People will always be needed. So imagine if I showed you how to create that, how to get yourself going, how to create an income online. It's totally doable because I've been doing it now and I've been gathering not just one or two, but multiple income streams from different directions. And all of them are passive. I don't have to chase people down. I don't have to ask questions. I don't have to ever hear the words no. I'm sorry. I never really told you who I am. My name's Marc Hamel, but everybody calls me Pep or Pepe. Something that my kids started. And it was funny because we go to their schools and they'd all start yelling, "Man, Pep, hi, how are you?" And so everybody called us that. And it's okay. I don't mind. It's just fun. Those of you who don't know, what it means is grandpa in French. Not a big deal. And yes, I do speak French. But here's my story. My daughter ran into a big trouble. By the time we were done with the lawyers and the CAS and everything else, my granddaughter came to live with us. And that was a heaven sent, really, because I couldn't stand it. If I'd known that she went out to general adoption, it would be like losing my own. Just couldn't stand it. But by the time we were done, still 250 grand, 2 homes, retirement package gone, all burnt up. And for what? Well, my granddaughter's safe. She lives with us. And yes, I still had a lot of hours to put in to catch up. Because you know what? I'm 57. And Freedom 95 was not really going to be an option. I don't want to work till 90. So I had to find something different. I found this blueprint. I found a business that I could do online. I learned how to do it, and now I teach other people how to do it. And I have a blueprint that shows you a course that you can follow through with well into 3,000 videos, freebies in my school community, and yes, the link is down below. If you want the blueprint, I can send you that too. It's down there. It's marked blueprint. Or if you want to go to a webinar, it's been recorded. There's a webinar recording as well down below. Or if you just say, "Hey, I am sick and tired. I got to try something. Got to do something." Click the ready link. You'll get to go in, check out my program. You'll get all the access to everything to take a look. If it doesn't fit you, no harm lost. Cost you nothing to look. Even my school community is free for 7 days. And there's freebies in there. No, mind you, don't get me wrong. You get what you pay for, but it's free. It's a start. And that's how you get going. You don't get to walk a mile without taking one step. So if you're still using a calculator to go to the grocery store, I don't anymore. But if you're still using a calculator before you go to the grocery store and trying to figure out if you're going to have enough to make ends meet for the week, plus you still need something to get back and forth to work, and you're afraid to make a change until you don't, well, nothing's going to change. I hate to tell you this, if you don't get over the fear and put trust somewhere, you're just going to be spinning your wheels. And something my daddy taught me a long time ago is spinning your wheels gets you nowhere about it. So stop spinning your wheels. Stop working on the punch clock. No, don't quit your job. Don't get me wrong. You can start part-time and eventually make this full. If you're willing to spend time, willing to learn, willing to try new things, guys, this is your own business. You get 100% profits. I know you've probably got a bit of curiosity. So just put a comment down in below. I read every one of them. Send you my blueprint. You can check it out. Or just go straight to it. But leave a comment, no matter what. Put down what profession you're in, how many hours you're doing. I mean, myself, like I said, I was in welding. I got laid off. I was in heavy equipment operating. Got laid off. I worked wind turbine projects. Now, those are term contracts, a little different, but still run at the end of a job there too. And you're probably like me. I've worked since the age of 14. I went next door, started working on the farm next door. When I got to be 16, I went to the factories, in the automotive plants, putting steering wheels together. After that, I went to construction, welding, trucking, back in welding, back to construction. My resume isn't a page or too long. It's on a scroll. And I figured it out a long time ago that I was working for everybody else. I'd always see my employers go on holidays for some reason. I watched every employer go on holidays. Well, I made sure I put every penny I could into retirement. And for what? Well, I don't regret it. I would put myself in that situation again and again. Why? My granddaughter. I wouldn't let that happen to her or any of my grandkids. And I've got 5 of them. A mittful. This many, as they say. But I get to enjoy time with them now. I get to enjoy time with my grandkids. I get to go motorcycle riding during the day. Imagine that. On a day that I want to, because it's gorgeous out, not a day that I've got a bit of freedom and it's raining and it's the only day I got to go out and get a wind therapy. This is a no pressure thing. It's up to you. It makes no difference to me. There's multiple links down below that will tell you, guide you which way you want to look. Maybe you just want to go check them all out. Those links, they cost you nothing to go through them and check them out. Make sure you leave a comment and hit the share button too. Don't forget to do that. But in closing, here's what I'm getting. If you want to separate yourself from everybody else, some of them are going to find out you're doing it. You can do faceless. You don't have to be on camera. But if you want to truly separate yourself from everybody else, you have to step out of the comfort zone. You have to try something new. Trust someone and hope it leads you down the right path. I'm in a community that's over 60,000 people. And, you know, we're up here, we're all like you. We all have jobs that we have to go to every day. We all work for everybody else. Our community has built millionaires in Africa. Imagine that. Changing that entire area, that entire community. Whether you live in the U.S., Canada, or Africa, it doesn't matter where you live. This is a global industry. That's the true beauty of it. You don't have to be at home. You can be on holidays to create it. Just a couple minutes clicking. Maybe a quick post, you know, kind of like this. Or maybe like this. Maybe you're sitting on your motorcycle. Maybe you've got a really nice car. You know, I know I probably haven't broke it down completely for you, but my blueprint is that. Our community breaks it down literally piece by piece by piece so that you learn the right techniques, what to say, what not to say, and how to do it. Shortly after you can join my school community, say hello, and we start talking. I have meetings twice a week in my school community, so you can learn quickly. And if you join my blueprint program, that community is 67,000 people strong. So the long and the short of it is watch the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit share, like, follow. You know what to do. But if you want to make a change in your life, go to the links below. That's where true change begins. I know I was nervous and scared about it when I first started. And now that I have, it's opened doors for me that I thought would never open. I'm actually going to be able to enjoy my retirement. Actually be able to travel. Something I was hoping to do and I had feared I'd never be able to do. So if you want to learn how to do that, click right in comments. I'll send you everything or just check it out. It's in the links. It's all there. But make sure you leave a comment. The more comments get up, maybe the more people get to see this. The more people get this freedom. At the very least, put down what profession you do because I enjoy finding out who's watching my videos and what you want to see next. But if I know you're a welder or heavy equipment operator, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you can't go to work because you got kids. I get that. That's people we work with. People who are stuck. People who are tired of the same old, same old. I gotta make a change. Because if you're doing something and it's not working, the only thing worse is doing it for another year and finding out it's still not working. If you don't make change, nothing will change. Hear me now, believe me later when I say I'm rooting for you. I'm here to help. Click the links below.